In this video, I'll show you how I'll turn these old woods into a beautiful item. Hello, I'm Allison. Welcome to another video from Wood Art channel. I already asked you to leave a like, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on all notifications to not miss out on upcoming ideas. In this project, all these pieces of wood with varying measurements will be reused. Initially, I'll pass everything through the planer. These parts I'll leave with a thickness of 2 centimeters. The boards will be adjusted to be 1 centimeter thick and also to remove these paint stains. Here, I'll cut all the parts on both sides to clean and standardize the width to 4 centimeters. Initially, I set the ruler to 43 millimeters from the blade, then made the cut on this side. Now, I set it to 40 millimeters and will make the cut on the other side. This way, all the pieces will be the same size. Here on the miter saw, I'll cut 8 parts, each with a length of 34 centimeters. To ensure that all are the same size, I'll use this stop that is already adjusted to this measurement. The end that will be supported here must already have been cut square. I decided to cut these 8 pieces, measuring 34 centimeters, at a 45 degrees angle on one side. From the boards, I'll remove the grooves, and from each of them, I'll make 2 parts, each with a width of 4 centimeters. From the slats, I'll cut 14 parts, each with a length of 30 centimeters. Another 10 parts will be cut, now with a length of 28 centimeters. One piece of these will also be cut, measuring 30 centimeters. And here, I'll split it in 2. Next, I'll glue these pieces that were cut at a 45 degrees angle. I'll use masking tape to help with the gluing. I glued it, leaving a part protruding. And now I'll place the piece here, and the other will be glued like this, making sure they are very well aligned by the ends and also very well pressed in the center. Now I'll apply the glue, and I can make the joint. If you're still here in the video and enjoying it, leave your like so this content reaches more people. I'll repeat the same with these other pieces too, making 4 parts identical to this one. I'll leave it like this until the glue dries, then I'll move on to the next step. Well, some time has passed, the glue has dried, and now I can remove the tape. To ensure they don't come apart, I'll reinforce the fixation with nails like this one, which measures 32 millimeters in length. Next, I'll do the assembly. I'll put 2 parts like this, and here will be fixed these ones measuring 30 centimeters by 4. I'll apply a little glue on the ends, making sure they are very well aligned. The fixation will be done with this nail measuring 22 millimeters in length. With everything square, I can proceed with the assembly, always applying glue on the ends and fixing it this way. I'll use one of these pieces to make the spacing, and then I'll continue by putting 5 of these parts fitted here. If you'd like to help me continue creating more content like this, become a channel member by clicking the first link in the description. After placing the 5 parts, I'll put a piece measuring 2 centimeters by 2. I'll apply glue on the ends, and it'll be fixed 2 centimeters below the last piece. And here we have the result. Now, I'll do the same with these 2 pieces too. In the next step, I'll cut 4 pieces of these with exactly this measurement. In this case, it ended up being 25.8 centimeters. I'll apply some glue like this. Where will this part be fixed? Always ensuring that the alignment remains perfect. I'll fix the other one at the bottom, making sure to keep the same spacing as the others. Now I'll turn it over and reinforce the fixation with nails from the inside. And this will also be done with these. I'll continue with the assembly by placing the 2 pieces like this, and here will be nailed these ones measuring 28 centimeters in length. Always applying a little glue, aligning very well and fixing with the nails. On this side, the process will be the same. I will use 4 more parts of these to fill these 2 points, on both sides, as it was done here. At the bottom, I'll apply glue only on the ends. Here it's important that the piece fits snugly, as it will only be glued. The last 4 parts, measuring 30 centimeters, will be placed at the bottom, supported by the woods measuring 2 centimeters by 2. They will be placed sideways like this. Here they will be distributed to have the same interval and will only be glued. Where there are nail marks, I'll apply wood putty in ivory color. After that, I'll sand it with 100 grit sandpaper. Using the router with the 28mm corner breaking bit, I'll round all the corners of the item. Manual sanding will be done with 220 grit sandpaper. The item will be painted by applying wood sealer diluted with thinner. To add color, this special brown tint will be applied. The application will be done with this spray gun, as is customary here on the channel. If you're looking for excellent results with wood, this video offers a selection of tools and materials that will be useful for you. The links are available in the video description. Be sure to check it out. Guys, I'm happy to share the completed project with you. Today, I made a beautiful plant holder. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave your like and share the video with friends interested in this type of content. Leave your opinion about the work in the comments. I'll be happy to reply. On your screen, some similar videos will appear for you to explore more incredible ideas. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Until the next video.